talk about the Whop. If you don't know what is a Whop, Whop is the website where you're making the clips for other people and just post it on TikTok, Instagram and YouTube, and then you're getting paid for 1k views. And in this video I would like to show you the best websites and the best company and the best clips for you. First of all, I would like to show these people. They are making a bunch of the monies. It's starting on 12k and it's raised to 36,000, and this is just per one day. So the first clips what I would like to show you is the Jordan Bellis clips. There is only $0.70 per 100k view, and there's Instagram, TikTok and YouTube. What you must do, Jordan Bellis is a basketball guy. What you only must do must be a GDUB branded page. You just need to tag in the bio this one. In all posts you can't view botting because they have the specific software and they will see if you're botting that, so don't do that because you will not get paid. Minimum 7 seconds of video, and link, there is a link in his bio, and American views. If you're not from the USA, I can help you to make USA content on the TikTok. There you have some videos. This guy made $200 from this video. This guy made 62. Alright. And only one must to do, you will just post Instagram reel or TikTok or YouTube, and then you will upload the real media. So the second one is about the Marcus Barney. Here is $1 per 100k. Sorry, second one is the Marcus Barney. The revenue is $1 for 1,000 views. Also clipping option, and also TikTok, Instagram and you just need to tag on the all posts, in the bio, in the clip page. You have the clips in this section, in the folder, this one, and in the render. Also easily what I must to do, just submit, post the Instagram reel, and then post the media. And the best one, the third option, AC Hampton clips. There's content rewards, there's some videos. It's a bit motivated, so the views can bunch easily. This one is, I don't know how much these people made, but it's very motivated, so maybe people gonna watch that, so you can go for a lot of views. It's in the category e-commerce but also clipping, but there is a rewards $2, so the best one. Also you must mention AC Hampton and tag his, and also asset regarding e-commerce, brand network and lifestyle. That's also very important. No full face of chart. Also there's assets, so you can see the clips, and then if you just post these videos on TikTok, YouTube, you can easily get a million views and you are getting $20,000. It's not hard, and you can be same as these people. So I promise you, in the next video I will show you more about the clipping. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe me, like, and see ya.